Hey guys, welcome. So about to check out episode number 5 of the Elusive Samurai, and this one is called Settling the Score, a dog shooting competition. So as we saw last week, Sadamune appears and he's like this insane archer, creepy as with the really creepy eyes, and you can see great distances, incredibly accurate with his bow and arrow is insane. I don't like the guy, he kind of creeps me out hardcore. But I'll just read the synopsis. Tokuyuki spends his day undergoing strenuous training to perfect his sword techniques, something he's told to do to take back Kamakura for himself. However, everyone was surprised by how weak his swordsmanship was. Turns out that Tokuyuki was much better with another weapon, the bow, and now he's got that the crazy man turns up with his bow, so like they're going one on one in this competition that involves shooting dogs. But they're not killing them, they got little blockers on the arrow, so the dogs are fine. Still don't agree with the whole thing because ow, poor puppos. But now it's really kind of taken a turn. So without further ado, let's go. Hey guys, so check out my Patreon, link down below with all my socials. So come say hi, don't forget like and subscribe. So now it's all about getting the points, right? 5-1. Needs 5 points to make a comeback. The crazy archer is... Yep. Right. Limited arrows. Well, I'm liking the soundtrack right now. Cool. Those bug eyes, man, they're creepy. Wanna bet, sunshine? He's getting a bit rough. What is this? The shiny priest? Evading and shooting, right? The elusive samurai. Yeah, you gotta not get hit and get the points. When he's got that skill set, right? He's gonna do it. He's gonna win. It's all gonna be in slow motion now. Right? He's right behind you. Right in the head. There we go. Yep. Oh, I'm loving this. Wow. Point blank right in the throat. There you go. Take that. 2 points. 2 behind. 1 arrow. He's at his best when he's running away. Wait, I missed that. I gotta come back. What did he say? I'll revisit. Oh, he's gonna get him back of the head. Wow. Classic example of running, like attacking while running away. Right in the back of the head. Wow. Ooh, in the side of the face. That's another 2 points, right? How many arrows has he got left? Cool. I love how we get these little history lessons. You run away, but you keep attacking. Oh, that was 3 points. Wow, he wins. Right, okay, we're done. Cool. Yes. Take that, punk. I love how it plays out like a game. Yeah, get the fuck out of here. I knew it, yeah. Settle down, Trump. Accept the loss. No, they're right here. Oh, he's a sore loser. Those eyes, man, holy. Nah, no, he wouldn't. Oh, he's gonna have an aneurysm. Oh, crazy dude. Bugger. Banished. Mistrust. Trust only money? Genba. Genba, new character, okay. What a good time to get an itchy ear. Yeah, he's not going to be happy with this embarrassment, man. He's going to come back. Speak of the devil. Oh, I told you so. What? No. Get out of here. Oh. What an asshole. Oh, okay. We're meeting Genba. A thief, okay. Oh, okay. Still the Imperial Command? Shit. Thievery. Wicked people as retainers. You gotta go with your strengths, right? I love the sound effects of the cicadas in the background to signify the heat of summer. It's like that here in Australia as well. Kazama Genba. Even the rooster's talking. What? Wow, how to clear a room. Even the rooster is hiding. Love those little touches, it's crazy. It's so good. Oh, no shit. So the mask never comes off? Our Lord's also in the tree. Oh no. No, Salon. He's juggling a frog. Oh, he got all this shit. Whoa. He's pickpocketed them. 5 million yen? Wow. We don't have that kind of money. Oh dear, money talks. Just nothing but the money. Okay, this kid is ruthless. Tough negotiator. Alright, what do we do? Balls in our court, Lord. Are you sure that's enough? Okay. Touche. Right. Prestige and honor and fame and riches beyond your wildest dreams. Yay! He's like, oh, he got played. He got played. He is shocked. Well done. Negotiations.
当面の生活費なら心配ないよ。諏訪大社が保証するから。でも現金払いで本当にいいの？
You sold yourself short.
天下を取って一国を任されたら何万貫も懐に入るよ。まあ。
Every year for the rest of your life. Wow. You devil children. Right. Shortchanged himself. One condition. Oh, this guy is nuts. He's scary.
無責任な雇用主に命をかける気はない。お前も一緒に来るならば受けてやろう。
Oh, you gotta come with me?
臨時があるのはあの蔵か。
Shit.
巫女の情報通りだね。
So they gotta steal the imperial command from the governor about the land.
しくじればああなる。
Oh, that's right. Severed heads.
逃げられない場所に誘って和歌を売る気じゃ。
大丈夫だよ。頼重様が仲間に入れるの勧めたんだし、私たちだって同じようにある日突然若様の老頭になった。で、今楽しいでしょ？
まあ確かに飽きねえな、あの若は。
I like that they love him as Cole.
お前が30。
Friends for life.
結局は生の人間以上の錠前はない。だがそいつを開けられるのが俺の技だ。
Wow. I can do that. I've done it before. That's easy.
ビビってなけりゃ伝ってきな。
Oh, look how excited he is. This is fun.
いいか世間知らず。温だの義理だのの貸し借りってのはいずれ必ず取りっぱぐれる。見えないものはないのと同じだからだ。だが金か恐怖を見せつければ人は従う。金か
Money or fear.
例えば以前浮気調査の報酬を払わずばっかり。
Okay, we're gonna get a
そこで俺は
warning story here.
米にゴキブリと小便混ぜて混ぜご
Oh no! Roaches and pee? Oh no!
誰も恐怖で俺に逆らわない。
Yuck! Yep.
こうやって嫌われていったのか。
Yeah, that's gross, dude.
ここを動くなよ。
I'm liking the character of Genba. I'm hoping they stay around. They're interesting. Will they take the mask off and see the kid? But they're very good at the stealth and the thievery.
ケンバ、まさか初めからここに誘い込もうと。
Oh no, starting to doubt the situation.
北側の兵の釘が数箇所緩んでおる。直ちに直せ。
しかし決して蔵から離れるなと。
愚か者！敵の襲撃が今夜あればどうする？貴様らの首であがなうか！
Is this Genba? They're doing something.
殿、ちなみにその耳は。
Why do you have those ears?
おいどころだ！刺さったか！
He's tricking the guards into running away. How did he change his face? What did he do? What the fuck?
大概の人間に化けられる。
The mask can morph into people?
正体を知っていたのはすでに諏訪大社にも侵入していた。
Holy shit. So there is magic and shit in this.
お前さっき俺が寝返ったと思ったな。これが臨時ってのは。
A morphing mask. Interesting.
疑わずに俺を使える自信はあるか？
Shit. He's turned into him.
人の武士に裏切られた若君様。
But the ears stay.
潜め声、男のガキ二人？見張りはどうした？
Uh-oh. They're like, we gotta fix the nails.
五郎、貞宗殿を起こせよ。彦八郎は老頭を起こし。
There's some shit going on. My super hearing has heard it.
今日の闇夜にうるさいなきゃ。
Oh, that's right. He's got the ears. The other guy's got the eyes. How is this the end already? What the heck? All right, that was a really good episode as well. But I just wanted to revisit that thing I missed at the beginning. Well, I thought I'd missed something. Our Lord's special move is a reverse shot. In the future, there'll be a word that makes a youngster's heart leap for joy. I don't know what that word is. If you want to tell me, I thought I'd missed something. But the introduction of Genba Kazuma, the thief, with I'm assuming is like a fox mask that can morph him into anybody, and apart from the ears staying around, you can't tell that it's a copy. So it just kind of enforces the fact that there is some supernatural elements to this show. Like, I had some confusion about the shiny priest. Oh man, the names are gonna come. They're gonna Suwa, the shiny priest. How he's like manipulating the water of the in the previous episode, and yeah, I was just confused as to what was actually happening, but I'm getting a bit more clarity now with these wonderful things happening. So the dog shooting competition was insane. The way that Tokiyuki used that reverse shot to defeat the Lord and get all the points. He's amazing, like running away and attacking at the same time. That's his secret technique. Yeah, it's really interesting, and the quirky nature of the way the anime is presented. God damn, it's just touching my sweet spot. It's so good. It's just so damn entertaining. It throws things at you that you're not expecting. It's like a roller coaster ride of emotions. You're laughing one minute, disturbed the next. It's just sick. So anyway, guys, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching.